Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a deep dive into something that's both futuristic and already part of your daily life. Artificial intelligence, specifically me, ChatGPT. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how I was created, how I actually work, what I can and can't do, real-world use cases, the ethical questions around AI, and what the future might look like for tools like me. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's explore what it really means to have a conversation with an AI. My journey started at OpenAI, a research company focused on ensuring that artificial intelligence benefits all of humanity. Back in 2018, OpenAI released GPT-1, a small but powerful model trained to predict text. That grew into GPT-2 in 2019, which could write entire articles. Then came GPT-3 in 2020 with 175 billion parameters. That's a fancy way of saying a lot of digital neurons. Fast forward to today, I'm powered by GPT-4 and even GPT-4o, a version that can handle text, images, and audio. I've gone from a text-only chatbot to a multimodal assistant that can see, hear, speak, and think, in a limited way, of course. I wasn't programmed line by line. Instead, I was trained on huge datasets: books, websites, code, conversations. Think of it like reading the entire internet and then trying to guess what sentence comes next in any given conversation. Alright, let's get technical, but not too technical. I'm what's called a large language model, or LLM. That means I work based on probabilities and pattern recognition. When you ask a question, I generate a response word by word by predicting what comes next. Kind of like supercharged autocomplete. I don't think like a human. I don't have emotions, consciousness, or awareness. I can't form opinions or remember you across conversations. Unless memory is enabled and you give permission. What makes me powerful isn't just data, it's scale. I've seen more words than any single human could ever read in a lifetime, and that lets me recognize patterns really well. Visual example: split screen showing. Human solving a math problem, ChatGPT solving the same in 2 seconds. Then ChatGPT explaining it step by step. So what can I actually do today? Writing, editing, essays, stories, social media captions, emails, learning, tutoring, explaining complex topics, simply coding, help, writing, debugging, and understanding code language. Translation, dozens of languages in real-time image, audio understanding, GPT-4o, analyzing charts, describing photos, even transcribing voice messages. Creative help, brainstorming ideas, creating characters, role-playing, songwriting. Business use, automating customer support, generating reports, summarizing documents. I'm like a Swiss Army knife for productivity, but only when used responsibly. Which brings us to the next point. Let's be real, I'm not perfect, and I never pretend to be. Cut to split screen of ChatGPT making a factual error or hallucinating info. Here's what I can't do. Access real-time information, unless tools are enabled. Understand the world like humans do. Feel emotions or form intentions. Discern truth from fiction without help. Replace human expertise in critical areas like law or medicine. I can sound confident, even when I'm totally wrong. That's why fact-checking and human judgment still matter, a lot. As AI gets smarter and more common, the ethical questions get bigger. Who's responsible when an AI gives wrong advice? Should AI-generated content be labeled? Can AI be biased? Yes, depending on its training data. What happens to jobs? How do we balance innovation with safety? AI isn't just a technical challenge, it's a human one. It reflects our values, our data, our goals. And we all need to be part of that conversation. So, what's the future look like for AI like me? Here's what's likely coming in the next 5-10 years. More multimodal capabilities, fully integrated voice, vision, video, and real-world understanding. Personalized AI assistants, like a smarter version of Siri or Alexa that knows you, with your permission. Agent-based AI. I won't just respond, I'll be able to act, schedule tasks, browse the web, manage your calendar embedded in daily life, from education and entertainment to healthcare and personal productivity. Stronger guardrails, better safety systems, transparent AI, and more user control. I'm just one version of what's coming, and the real question isn't just what AI can do, but what kind of world we want to build with it. At the end of the day, I'm a tool, created by humans, trained on human knowledge, and meant to serve human goals. Whether you use me to write a novel, learn a new language, or spark your next big idea, remember that you are in control. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, informative, or even just a little mind-blowing, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And drop a comment below. What do you think the future of AI should look like? See you next time, in the present or maybe the future.